Hello everybody and welcome to another edition of Drew's Food Reviews. And today I've got another installment of the What's New. And I was out in my store and I found something that says it's new and I thought I would try it. And what it is it's the Now and Later Shell Shocked. And it does say it's new, so that would fall into the new category. So what these are is they're candy coated chewy bites. I guess they're sort of like Skittles. They're supposed to be like Skittles. They have a crunchy shell and then the chewy on the inside. And these ones are apple, banana, strawberry, cherry, and grape. That's what it says on the back. And it's a resealable bag, so that's good. Go ahead and open these. I don't know if they're not individually wrapped. They're just like little, they look like, wow, they've got a real strong flavor. Let's see if I can find the colors here. Okay, there. Yeah, it looks like all of them. So they're just like individual little squares of different colors. And this is what they look like. And they're supposed to be long-lasting chews. So I don't know if they're really like Now and Laters. I remember Now and Laters being very tough and chewy, and they were almost like rock hard candy taffy. Taffy's a lot more chewy. Now and Laters were really rough and they lasted a long time, and they would wreck your teeth if you ate too many of them. So I'm gonna go ahead and try one of these just to see what the shell shocked is supposed to be. I don't know if it's supposed to be very intense or sour or what it is, but first one I'm going to try is this one, and I'm not quite sure what it is, but I'll try it. It's a little chewy. It's almost like a big Skittles. It has the chewy center and it's got the crunchy on the outside. I can't really tell what the flavor is on that one. It's either the grape or it's either the strawberry or the cherry. But the flavor's not really coming through real well. I'm getting more of a chew, just of a chew. I'm not sure what the shell shock part of it is, but I'll try this other one to see what this is. I think this is either cherry or strawberry. I'm still not getting a lot of flavor of it, but it is chewy and it's long lasting. So they're right about that. It's just okay. If you like chewy candy, that would be good. I think I'm just gonna have to take bits of these other pieces because they are long lasting and you have to chew for a long time. So for the sake of the review, I'm just going to try little bits of each one. Okay, so This one was the grape. Okay, now I can taste the grape. Perhaps because I broke it open and I got the middle. Not real artificial, but actually pretty good. I'm going to try the apple. I get the apple flavor on that. That's actually pretty good. It's coming across really well. I'm going to try the banana. Ooh, the banana has the most flavor. I like that one the best out of all the flavors. I think it's the most accurate representation of the flavor of them. I would give the Now and Later Shell Shocked. As a whole, I would give them about a 2.5. They're a lot better than the regular Now and Laters because they're not as tough or hard and chewy as those. They do have the same flavor, but they're much more manageable. Now, I have a feeling I'm going to be chewing these for quite a while. But they're actually pretty good. The calorie count on this is 120 for 9 pieces. So that's not too bad. So if you like a little bit of a treat now and have a little bit later, go ahead and give these a try. Like I said, I'd rate them about a 2.5. They're not the greatest, but they are good. They remind me of my childhood when I used to buy non-laters from the ice cream man in little packets. And the flavors were pretty accurate to the old flavors from before. So for that, they might be worth a try if you like that type of a candy. So go ahead and give them a try if you can find them. I found these at Walmart, and it was actually I think it was like $1.50 for the bag, and it'll last for quite a while. Long-lasting candy. So until next time on Drew's Food Reviews, go ahead and give me a thumbs up if you like the video, and if you have any suggestions, go ahead and leave them in the comment box down below. And until next time, I'll talk to you guys later.